guys, my name is Firecracker, and I'm going to play with my friend Leona. And here she is. She's just sleeping. So, I'm going to try to wake her up. Leona, wake up. You know what time is it? Oh, wow. What? I wasn't sleeping. Well, you were. Oh, well, I was just taking a cat nap. That means you did sleep. Oh, yeah, I did. So, what were you doing? We were playing something. Oh, hide and seek? No, that's a baby game. You know that, right? Then, hide and seek. You already said that. But fine, we'll play it. You count, I'll hide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wag my tail. Ready or not, here I come. It's hard to see him. Oh, he's under there, I think. Check it out, guys. He might be over there. Let's see. Firecracker? I guess not. He's not there. Let's check somewhere else. I think over there I will see him. Found you! What are you doing there? Oh, hi. Let me get out. Now let me carry you. Why do you have to carry me? Because I'm stronger and I'm older. Okay, now I'll count and you'll hide. Okay, it's pretty easy to hide here. I don't know where to hide, but I'm gonna hide. Okay, now you count. Whee! I think I'm gonna start over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. She always hides where I hide, so I'm going to check there. He should be there, I hope. Found you! Hey! Why are you carrying me? I wanted to walk. Sorry about that. I just touched the screen, I think. Or did you? I didn't touch the screen. Okay, I'm right about that. Okay. Now, let's stop playing a baby game. Let's start like old people. Like, you're not still a baby, are you? I am. Well, you don't look like a baby. Okay. I'm supposed to be like this. Okay, let's play tag. Tag? I don't want to play tag. It's so fast. It's not fast. You just have to catch someone. You know that. Oh, yeah. So, okay, then you're it. Hey, caught you. Caught you back. Caught you. Caught you back. Whoa. 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 Leona. What? Leona, what you did that for? Am I whisker on my nose? Uh-huh. I think it's off. I think it's off. I think it's off. Okay, let's go. Okay. Now, who was it? I don't know. Okay, let's restart. Okay. You're it. Hey, catch me. Oh, I'm going to hide here. I'm going to hide over here. Now where is he? Ha! Guess not. Okay, he's not over there. I think over there it'll be good. Right there. Let's go. Aha! No, he's not right there. Okay, I give up almost, but not right now. Found you! Ah! Whoa! If you like that video, smash that like button, and we're gonna all see you all next time. Good. Bye!